Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a double acting reciprocating pump in SolidWorks Pro. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Okay, this is a double acting reciprocating pipe. This one is the delivery pipe, this one is also delivery pipe, and this one is the suction pipe, this one is the suction pipe, this one is the piston, and this one is the connecting rod. Here I'm going to join this one connecting rod. Now see connecting rod and double click here. I mean color selected, then I'm taking this one is one. Okay, now see this one is the connecting rod and this one is the crank, and again going here, this one is the crank, and crank. Okay, I'm in crankshaft. So now I'm going to, and this one is the cylinder, this one is the cylinder up to this one. Okay, now I'm going to start. Before going to start, I'm taking a line. Okay, I'm taking a line from here. I'm taking this one is the 15. I'm going to click OK. Selecting this line and going here. I'm taking this one is the bilayer. Then skip. After that, taking another line and sketching from here. I'm not pressing the mouse or keyboards. I'm going here up to 2 inch. I'm going to click again, taking the line, going here up to 2, then going upwards up to 5, then going here up to 8, then downwards up to 5. I'm going to click OK. Then selecting 3 lines, and before going here, I'm taking a line midpoint of here. I'm just click OK and selecting by layer. Then I'm selecting 3 lines, then going to the mirror and click here to here and erase source subject. No. Okay, done. This one is done. And again taking another line, sketching a line from here to here. Right one is click OK. Then selecting this one and mirror is selected. Then click one point, another click is here and erase source subject. No. Done. Then delete this one. After that, I am going here and selecting and sketching a line here. Right one is click OK. Then again taking another line here to here. Right one is click OK. Then CO from the keyboard, enter. Click this one, enter, and draw a line downwards. Right one is click OK. Then click this one, copy CO, enter, and going to the downwards to here. Okay. Right one is click OK. Then selecting this line, this, those lines, then going to the mirror and one click is here, another click is here, and no. Then going to the offset and I'm taking this one is the one distance, 1 inch, going here, taking a line and sketching a line from up to this, just click OK, and going to the offset, taking this one is 0.5, one click, another click, and taking a line from up to here. Just click OK. Then taking a circle here, which will be 4 mm, 4 inch. Then sketch another line, one click. Then press the 10 from the keyboard and click on this circle. That means click OK. Then taking another line and draw a line from here to here. That means click OK. Now see, click this one, going here, select this one. the center. Now see. Then taking a line from here to here, let us click OK. Taking the arc, OK, and taking another arc, OK. Then going here, trim, advanced click, trim this one, and another trim this one. Advanced click OK. Then going selecting this one, going to the mirror, and one click is here, another click is here. No. Then selecting this line and delete from the keyboard. Now the 5 is selected. This one is the piston. Now I'm taking piston rod. This one is the piston rod and this one is the piston. And sketching it, piston reference click OK. Then copy CO from the keyboard. And copy this one, enter, and copy, 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 copy. Reference click, enter. Now see. This one is the main things done. Then I will identify the all things. Then move, the copy, CO, copy the connecting rod, enter. Then up to here, okay. Double click, okay. Then selecting this one, delivery pipe, then copy CO, enter. Then going to the delivery pipe, another copy here, advanced click, okay. Then suction pipe, selecting this one, CO, enter, and copy, okay, one click, another click, advanced click, enter. Now sketch a line from the middle, advanced click, enter. Again taking a line, going here, the midpoint is here, one click, another click, advanced click, okay. Now I'm going to the upwards here, sketching a line, okay, click, similarly going here, downwards, okay, advanced click, okay, taking a line here up to this, advanced click, again taking a line, okay, line is taken. Taking a line, then selecting this one, mirror, and click is here, another click is here, no, again selecting this line and this line, I'm going to the mirror, one click is here, another click is here, now similarly going to the selecting this one, mirror, selecting this line and this line, now after that selecting this one and this one, the mirror, one click, then I have written here, so CO, copy, click here, enter, and taking this one is up to here, okay, and escape from the keyboard, click here, CO, enter, and taking up to here, Okay, now this one is the suction head and this one is the delivery head, and I'm taking the CO enter, click here again, selecting this one, then CO enter, and I'm taking this one is up to here. Okay, done. And another thing is connecting rod. Oh, here this one is not, this one is not a connecting rod. Connecting rod is this one. Okay, and the piston. Uh, Select this piston, CO, enter. Then I'm taking up to here. Piston is this one. See, skip from the keyboard. Now I'm copying this one, selecting this one, then CO, enter, and I'm taking up to here. This one is this one, rotation is this one, and this one is the copy. I'm selecting this one, CO, enter, and I'm taking up to here. This one is the crankshaft and the crank. Okay, I think you have seen this one is the connecting rod and the piston rod. Again, going here and selecting this one, piston rod. Okay, and selecting all, going here one. Okay, done. Now see, everything is identified, and another thing is the water. Okay, I'm selecting up to these waters. Okay, again up to this. Then CO, enter. I'm taking here. Okay, then skip, enter. Now see, water is done. This one is the suction pipe. This one is suction pipe, delivery pipe, delivery pipe, suction head, delivery head. So the equation, now the equation is I'm writing here. Going to the text, multiple text is selected. This one is, and the the water flow rate Q equal to 2 LAN, sorry, N divided by 60. Okay, here is the area of uh, the piston. Okay, now I'm going here. I'm taking this one as the 2, enter, and another formula is I'm taking. When the piston rod will be very small, in that case, the Q equal L, the L bracket to minus small a into n divided by 60. Okay, when piston rod area will be very small. Okay, now I'm going here, taking this one is 1 mm, 1 inch. Okay, done. See, I think everybody got it how to sketch it. Now I'm taking this one is 2. Okay, open that. It's not taking. It's not selecting. So this was the problem. So now it's okay. Now see. Now I'm taking this one as 7. Q equal L bracket to a minus small a and divided by 60. Where's 60? Enter. Okay, done. And I'm taking this one is 2. Okay, I understand that. This one is I think this. Okay. Now see, I think got it everybody how to sketch a double acting reciprocating. Here I have already done the 16 and when piston rod area will be very small. In that case, the rupal will be L into 2a minus a smaller into n divided by 60. This one is the double acting reciprocating pipe. I think you have everybody got it how to sketch. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.